Alright, just picked up a new piece of equipment for home use, basically garden. As you can see, it is on a trolley, so it is a heavier piece of equipment. So let's get unboxing and see what it is, what this exciting new piece of equipment is. It is a Ego lawnmower, so one of their bigger lawnmowers. This one comes with the two 12 amp hour batteries, the 56 volt batteries. It is one of their bigger lawnmowers. I do have their smallest lawnmower, which was great, but our lawn grows a bit quicker and it is a bit thicker in parts, so our less powered lawnmower, lower powered lawnmower was good, but just bogged down in certain areas. So I figured I'd get the commercial grade lawnmower to help tackle the lawn a little bit better, a little bit easier, not having to stop and start a lot of times. So in the box we have the catch, so great little mulching catch. We have not one charger, but two chargers to help charge not one 12 amp hour battery, but two 12 amp hour batteries, because this, with the power this lawnmower has, it runs off two batteries to keep the power up. Alright, let's get it out. Let's see how heavy this thing is, if I can get it out. I should be able to. Let's get some of the stuff out. Alright. Now, pick it up from first. She is a beast. There's no handle at the back to pick it up with. There you go. One 56 volt commercial lawnmower. Let's put it together. And see what it's like. Ugh. All right. Even though it's got a full aluminium body, it is still a heavier lawnmower because it does have that power. It needs to be stronger. It's got a bigger motor. So let's check out this. We have the mulching attachment, so we'll mulch your lawn and put it back onto the lawn. We have the bag catch and the frame for the bag. I can work it out, hopefully work it out without the instructions. I believe the frame goes in there. Take a squeeze at the instructions. Handy dandy instructions. See how the bag goes together. Lawnmower, charger, battery instructions. Lawnmower instructions, operating manual. Let's see how if they have how the bag goes together. Nope. Oh yeah. Does show it. There it goes. That's the way it goes. That clips on up here. If I can get it to open this plastic clip. There we go, and Ah, there we go. That clips on that side. That clips on there. If I can get it, yeah, that. you have it. One 56-volt lawnmower, commercial grade aluminium plate or deck, I'm going to call it that. It does have the what do you call it, the drive, so it will power the wheels to move it, which I probably won't use because I don't have a massive yard, not real hilly so it's not a real struggle for me to use the push. I can just push it, it's fine with me. Really good. So it's going to be so much better to help maintain my lawn.